people. So this is my fourth video of the day, and I have to say this, people. Oh my god! I think it was the magic of linking my videos with my Amazon, the page that in 3 months finally. Whatever, I made like a little decent amount, which is actually not such a decent amount, but I'm just so happy and so grateful, people. So thank you, a big thank you for to all the my subscribers and viewers and all that. You all not just watch my videos but also read what's in the description, because this is so special. Today was such a special day in the afternoon, morning. When I saw that Amazon has also basically I set up my Amazon Kindle account more than a year ago, and today finally it was like wow. So it's just God's grace. So really, people, from my heart, thank you to all of you all, and just just thank you. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.